Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video. Hanahaki disease, just a makeup look with beauty. So I've already done her face and set it. We're baking right now and I'm moving on to the lashes. You guys gonna see here in a second, I had trouble with this left eye. It just did not want to work out with us. Yeah, I must have taken it off about 2 to 3 times until we actually got it right. But I'm just applying the lashes, nothing too much. We're using 3D lashes here. I'm going to go ahead and again remove this lash and try again to put it on so that she can look beautiful. So I'll let you guys keep watching here while I attempt to put this lash on again. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Hopefully we have done everything. So I'm just going ahead and removing the setting powder that we placed underneath her under eyes, and we're going to go ahead and set the face. But again, we were having trouble with this eye again, so I'm snatching that lash off, and we're going to do this one more time. They said the third time a charm. We're going to see. Is this third time really this charm, honey? Because this lash didn't want to act right. So I'm just retouching her eyelid with the eyeshadow that I used, and go ahead and cleaning cleaning the setting powder up for underneath her eye. And here we go, attempt number 3 with this lash, and I think we're what I think we got it here. I think we got something, ladies. I think we got something, because look, honey, that lash is snatched, honey. Okay, yes, we got her on finally. All right, honey, open. Yes, and these lashes were actually too long for her eyes, so I just went ahead and pulled it off the end of her eye a little bit, just to give her that little extra cat eye look, as you guys can say, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to applying this prosthetic or this fake skin to her. And if you guys don't know, I did post a description of what Hanahaki disease is in the beginning of the title. You guys can go back and check it out or research it. But it's basically where it suffers from one-sided love, and so the flowers start to come out of the womb, and that's what we're creating here. So I'm going to take my liquid latex, and I'm just going to sketch out where I want to place the wound so that I can apply the flower petals around that. So I'm taking here the fake skin, and I'm going to measure out on the side of her neck, and I'm going to put 2 dots of where I want to apply this latex, liquid latex. And you guys, you got to work fast with this. It does dry really quickly. You don't want it to dry too much, because you do need the fake skin to fit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put liquid latex on the back of the wound as well as on her neck. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch as I do that.
West